Hi, my name is Lariz. I attended Victory Weekend when I was a student, siguro mga 2009. And since then, I'm already doing one-to-one and leading life groups.
My name is Johanna Elizabeth Yu Patel and my discipler is Ate Lariz Albarazin.
I met Hannah siguro for many years already kasi I've been seeing her sa Victory. One day, I decided to approach her. Especially nung nalaman ko na hindi pa pala siya nakapag one-to-one. So, ayun na, nilapitan ko lang siya, tapos tinanong ko siya na, hey, willing ka ba mag one-to-one? And buti naman, nag-yes siya kaagad.
At first, parang ayoko mag-join sa one-to-one kasi parang awkward sa akin kasi parang baguhan pa lang. Pero step by step nung nag one-to-one ako, parang unti-unting nabibuild relationship ko kay God, relationship namin ni Ate Lariz, na-encourage talaga ako mag-join sa mga one-to-one, sa mga victory groups.
I'm really excited for Hannah kasi even while we were still doing one-to-one, nagtatanong na siya, ate, paano ba mag one-to-one? Ate, gusto ko i-one-to-one si ganito. And I know na she will also make disciples out of her classmates and friends and she will really be a blessing.
I really want to reach out with other people, to disciple them, to introduce Jesus to them.
I know that Hannah will really be a world changer someday. Even nga kahit na habang student siya ngayon, the change that she's doing right now, it's gonna ripple to many, many, many other people.
Hi, I'm Joey Dixan. I started joining and attending Victory Groups since 2011.
Ako pala si Rhea, discipler ko si Jomi. First, nailang ako kasi parang social niya.
Ako na magkakwa. Actually, mismatch kami kasi I am newly married and then siya, mom na siya. So, I don't know where to connect. But then, as our conversation go along, it's really the grace of God and it's the Holy Spirit who connects us. So, nothing really is impossible.
Excited ako mag-Victory Weekend kasi gusto kong malaman ko na talaga yung calling ni Lord at saka purpose niya para sa akin.
Ako si Loloy Madronial, Kuya Loloy ko din sa Victory.
Ako si Pao, ang discipler ko, si Sir Loloy.
In one prayer meeting, nagka-meet mi ni Pao. Wala gid gituyo nga kami mo magka-partner.
Nung nagkita kami, parang ganun lang, Brad, tabi tayo. Pwede tayo ang partner. So, after that, ang approach talaga niya is parang old friend na, yung matagal na kami nagkakilala na.
Gina-engage din ako sa diretso bahin aning one-to-one and by God's grace, positive kayo siya sa mga kalihukan sa ato ang simbahan and he was willing to go to Victory Weekend para sa waters of baptism. So, maano karon na-experience na ni Pao ang iyang identity sa kang Christ.
Talagang yung pagkikita namin at pagpunta ko naman sa Victory talaga is not an accident. It is really a plan talaga ng Diyos.
I'd love to see Pao doing one-to-one from here on. He will be discipling others also, like what others did here in Victory, and we would love to support him all the way.
Alam ko, sa one-to-one, tapos sa Victory Weekend, lalo ko bang makilala si Lord. Na-experience ko na yung presence ni Lord, talagang pumasok siya sa heart ko.
Joining Victory Weekend is the most amazing experience in my life.
I'm Lariz and I'm here to honor God and make disciples.
I'm Joey and I'm here to honor God and make disciples.
I'm Loloy and I'm here to honor God and make disciples.